Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna see that how we can change the size of any image to passport size image. So let's get started. I have downloaded an image. So you can see in this image we need to change the background of this image as well as the size of this image. So first of all, let's change the background of this image. For doing so, click on select and then click on subject. Photoshop will start working on it and gives the selection of the subject. It will take a while depending upon your PC speed and the image size as well. So once it's done, you can see that a selection is made around our subject. After that, hit Ctrl plus J at the same time and Photoshop will create a copy of our selection. You can hide the background layer to see. After that, click on rectangle tool, click rectangle and create a rectangle. After creation, press enter. Now we have to move this rectangle at the background of our image. For doing so, click on the rectangle and move it on the bottom of our selection. So now you can see that the background of our image is updated. What we have to do now? We have to change the size of this image. So let's check what is the size of passport image. The size of the passport image in standard is 2 inches height and 2 inches width. So let's get back to the Photoshop. So we have to make a selection with 2 inches width and 2 inches height. For this, click on the selection tool and then we have to tell the Photoshop that we need a selection where the width is 2 inches, height is 2 inches and fixed ratio. If this is normal for you, change this to fixed ratio. Now create a selection. If this is normal for you, change it to fixed ratio because when you create a selection, the ratio between the length and width will not change. If this is normal for you, change it to fixed ratio. Now make a selection around our subject. You can use the arrow keys. After creating the selection, click on crop tool and then click inside the selection and then click on this small check mark. Now you can see that our image is ready. Now we have to change its size to 2 inches width and 2 inches height. For this, click on image and then click on image size. So we need the width of this image as 2 inches and height 2 inches as well. Then click OK. So we need the size of this image as 2 inches width and 2 inches height. Make the resolution as 300 pixels so the image will not be pixelated. So you can see that our image is ready. You can use this image as online forms or anywhere you want for online submissions. But if you want to print this image, let's make a pattern of this image so you can print multiple images at the same time. For doing so, click on File and then go to New and create a new file with 6 inches width and 4 inches height. So we can print 3 images in a row and 2 images in a column. Click on Create. Now what we have to do? We have to create a small borderline around the image. So when images makes a pattern, we can see where to cut the image. I am taking the rectangle tool and create a rectangle around this image. Now we have to change the fill color as none and the stroke color as white and make the stroke weight as 5 pixels. So what we have to do now? So let's make the selection a little bit more perfect. Okay, this is fine now. Now press enter. Now what we have to do, click on edit and then click on define pattern. Name this pattern anything you want. For example, I am naming it passport size image and then click on OK. Now go to our new file, click on edit and then click on fill. Now we have to tell the pattern which we want to use. This is the new pattern that I just created. Click on this and then click OK. Now you can see that we got 6 images in one page. For printing these images, we have to save these images as PDF file. For doing so, click on File, Save as PDF, and then name it file anything you want. And then hit Save. Click OK, and then save PDF. Click Yes. For using these images on online forms, click on File, Export, Export as. PNG or JPEG both will work in the same way. Then click on Export. Save this file with any name you want. And then click Save. Now you can see that we got two files. One is image, which you can use anywhere you want, and the other one is passport size pattern, which you can print and get the output in hard form. Thanks for watching.